again to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to speak about Chime. Chime is an online bank account which pays its members $50 for referring people to the company. So you can easily make a couple of $100 every week just by sharing your link that you got from Chime. And Chime is actually an online bank account. It's just like your regular banks, your Wells Fargo, your Bank of America, but this is actually strictly online. And what's a good thing about Chime, they do not charge any fees. There are no fees to this account. And another good thing is they actually pay you 2 days in advance once you set up direct deposit. When you set up direct deposit, you actually gonna get your paycheck 2 days in advance. If you get paid on Friday, of course, now you get paid on Wednesday, just like y'all regular like NetSpend and Rush cards. But this is actually a bank, and they don't actually charge you to look at your account. They don't charge you to load funds on it. They don't charge you nothing. No hidden fees, no minimum balance. And you know, people just, and you can get the app as well. They actually have an app. You can get a savings account. You can get a lot of stuff. Plus, you get the debit card with the chip. So, if you want to do online businesses, this is a great choice to use, especially when you don't have a regular bank account. Only thing you have to do is just hit the link below. Once you hit the link below, it should bring you to a page just like this. It should say something like, get $50 when you join me on Chime. And the only thing you have to do is just set up your direct deposit. Set up direct deposit with at least $200 minimum of your direct deposit. You will receive the $50. Now, if you don't have a job and you don't have direct deposit, don't feel discouraged, because you can still make the $50. So once you click the link, sign up, and what you want to do, you want to log in. So I'm going to log in over here. We're going to log in. Log in. And I'm just showing you what you can really do with Chime. So actually, Chime has been paying me $50 per referral, like we said. Let's just go up here. Let me just copy that. Let me go to search, because I actually use this account for petty cash, and then I use it to basically generate some income. So as of right now, let's just look at the month of July. So right here, July the 5th, I made $25. And people are doing the same thing. They just basically downloading the app. Make sure you download it from me, because you can get the $50, or sometimes it's $25, but now it's $50. And they download the app, and people are just setting up their direct deposit. You see, Wednesday I got $50. I actually got $50 on both of those days. I got another $50 the next day, and this morning I got $50. So that's like $200 in 1 week, just by sharing the app, just by getting it. You know, my online bank. So, but just what you want to do once you get the app, or get the bank account, what you want to do, you want to go down to invite friends, because this is where you want to get your code right here. They say give $50, get $50. So the same thing, but you want to do, you want to take this code right here, take this code, copy it, and you want to share it with your friends on Facebook. You want to share it with your friends on Twitter. You want to share it with your friends on Google+. And also, it don't have it right here, but you want to take all the numbers that you have in your phone, the phone that you have right now, all your contacts, send them the information, send them that link. Because what they're gonna do, they're gonna sign up, they're gonna set up their direct deposit, and you're gonna get the $50. And it's just that simple. So imagine you can do that every week, people. And exactly what, you know, proof is in the pudding. And they have continue to pay me. And a lot of people keep saying that Chime stops at $500 limit. People, it's not that limit has been released, because they still paying me. I have made more than $500. So you definitely, the sky's the limit with Chime. Only thing I have to do is just download that link. Make sure when you download the link, make sure it has my name right here. Set up an account, send your direct deposit. and you're gonna get the $50. So now if you don't have a job or set up direct deposit, this is what you do. You still come down right here and you still share your link with individuals, because you might not necessarily have to do it, but when you share your link and that next individual signs up, guess what? You get the $50. So that's exactly what it is, man. Hopefully y'all found value in this video. Just get the link, download the link, get the account, set it up, and just share your link and let the money roll in. So hopefully y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright, peace.